my name's Hannah and this is this is Tay. And on her cup it says Tim Tam, that's her nickname, so I gave her the Tim Tam cup. And this is Lily. The girl who owns this account. So today we're teaching you how to make this summer drink. You'll need a soda stream kit, which is the soda stream thingy that makes it all bubbly, and the soda stream cup. You'll also need some.
We need to fill the water. We need to fill the water though.
Oh yeah, you need water as well, and you need a soda stream cap, or you can just buy the kiwi and pear flavoured drink Concert or whatever. Makes 1 litre of sparkling drink, this one, so yeah, you can buy these ones, which are easier to use. You just put them on, as I'll show you later. Okay, so this drink is for kids and adults, and it's delicious.
We haven't tried it yet because we had the different capsule. We had a green tea capsule and then we don't have any left.
Oh, so we have to use the kiwi and pear one, but hopefully it tastes the same. We also need some Nerida Ice Tropical Punch, refreshing instant tea mix, and some lemon iced tea soda stream. Now Lily, you will start telling them what all these things will do and what will mix together, and you'll also need a spoon. What? You'll also need a spoon.
Oh, and this here makes the colour and most of the flavour. The kiwi pear makes it taste a little bit, you know, spazzy. And then this makes a lot of the colour.
Oh yeah, P.S. by the way, we just got face paints, that's why we look ridiculous. She's got no glasses.
Wait, yes I have. I've got glasses.
Oh.
I rubbed off my moustache, man. Okay, yeah. And we need to fill this with water after. See, there's still some of the other one left, if you can see that. And and the drink tastes really nice. Get my cup. And I guess Tammy's gonna take over, or Hannah's back. Okay, come on, Hannah.
Okay, I just had to go to the toilet. So anyway, you also need a tablespoon, a spoon, and a cup. You'll also need a cup. Now we've got a glass one, so you guys can see what we'll do. Okay, so what we do is we get some of the Nerida Ice instant tea mix.
Yep.
Okay, just checking something.
What time it is?
If you can hear something in the background, that's just my brothers watching YouTube on TV. We've got this YouTube installation thing.
Well, actually, they're trying to download
so anyway,
okay.
You take a Nerida iced tea thing. Yeah, this is the mix that you've made, and then you pour it in.
Oh. Okay.
So you take a Nerida iced tea capsule, don't do that, and you open it up with your finger, pour it in. Now, you wouldn't want to pour the whole thing in like I just did, but I guess you could as well. We'll be back with part 2, which will be all about the making. This is just introducing. Part 2, look for it in the thingies next door. You know what I mean.
Bye.
Subscribe and like and comment and view. Bye.